Good morning, we're on the record. Good morning. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, and in accordance with TC Code Section 2-571HC of the Open Meetings Act, OMA, I'm welcoming you to the regular scheduled meeting of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board. This meeting has been conducted pursuant to guidance made available by the District of Columbia's Office of Open Government regarding electronic meetings held by public bodies. Electronic meetings by the ABC Board are authorized pursuant to Section 2-577A of the DC Code. Pursuant to the OMA requirements, notice of today's meeting was provided 48 hours in advance of the meeting on ABCA's website and on the District Central meeting calendar. The notice includes the time, date, agenda, and call-in or login information for public participation. This electronic meeting has been hosted by a WebEx account provided by the District of Columbia government. Please address any questions or complaints to the OOG at opengovoffice@dc.gov. My name is Donovan Anderson, I'm chairperson of the board. I would like to introduce the other members of the ABC board who are also participating electronically. Please respond when I announce your names. Mr. Silas Grant.
Mr. Silas Grant, present.
Mr. David Meadows.
Good morning, Mr. David Meadows, present.
Mr. Ryan Jones.
Mr. Ryan Jones, present.
The board has 4 members in attendance for the conduct of business today, and that constitutes a quorum. Before we get underway with today's hearing calendar, need to make a few instructions very clear so that the conduct of these hearings is understood by everyone. There are 12 cases scheduled for today's calendar. Once your case is called, I will take a moment for IT specialists to elevate the rights for each party to enable their camera and microphone. Then and only then will you have the ability to enable your equipment. If your case has not been heard, you will remain mute and your camera will be disabled. At the conclusion of each case, the parties will have the option to leave. If the party chooses to stay, all cameras and microphones for the concluded case will be disabled. Should you have any questions or require technical assistance during the hearing, please submit them using the question and answer feature. Our first order of business today is a protest hearing status case number 26PRO00012, Caspian Crust, license number 134033. This hearing has been canceled due to submission of a settlement agreement for the board's review and approval. The next case on our calendar is case number 25PRO00009, MK Lounge and Restaurant. This case has also been canceled at the request of the parties to give them an additional time to discuss settlement. The next case in our calendar is case number 25PRO00130, Posh Lounge, license number 123209. This matter has been rescheduled to March the 11th at 10:30 a.m. The next case on our calendar is case number 25CMP00082, Flirt Cocktail Bar and Social, license number 127493. Good morning, Ms. Doriana. Can you please elevate the rights of the government and the licensee in this case?
Good morning. Anthony Cello, access elevated, and that is it, Chairman.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Good morning, Mr. Cello. Good morning, sir.
There we go.
Can you please identify yourself for the record by stating and spelling your name?
Assistant Attorney General Anthony Cello, and THONYCELO on behalf of the government.
Good morning, sir. I see that the licensee is not here this morning. However, at show cause hearing status, there is no requirement for the licensee to be present. If this matter is not settled, it is then scheduled for a show cause hearing on March 18th at 10:30 a.m. Just to remind the parties that 7 days before the hearing, the parties are required to file their disclosures with the board and with each other. Failure by either side to disclose their documents timely, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on documents and witnesses that have not been timely disclosed. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, the next case on our calendar is case number 25 CIT 00071. Swahili Village, the Consulate, license number 114799. This case has been canceled. It's my understanding the licensee paid the fine. The next case on our calendar is a show cause hearing for case number 25 CIT 00501, Giovanni's Tratto, license number 126137. Ms. Doriana, can you please elevate the government and the licensee and any potential witnesses, please?
Sure thing. Sophia Matus, access elevated. Brianna Graham, access elevated. And that appears to be all trim. I'll check in the chat.
Ms. Matus, do you anticipate or whether or not the licensee will appear today?
No, I don't expect anybody to appear. I haven't heard from them.
Okay, fine. All right, let me see. So Ms. Matus, are you able to, is the government prepared to move forward this morning without the licensee?
Yes, I would like to move for default judgment against the licensee in this matter.
Well, before we go there, let me do something first. Pursuant to DC Official Code Section 25-447E, the board has the authority to proceed ex parte where the licensee waives a hearing or fails to appear unless a hearing is extended for good and sufficient cause. The board's record reflects that the licensee was properly served. Seeing no licensee here today and having no good and sufficient cause to extend this hearing, the board will proceed with the show cause hearing ex parte. Ms. Matus, can you please spell and state your name for the record?
Good morning, Assistant Attorney General Sophia Mitas for the district, SOPHIA.
I think you froze, ma'am. So I think, let's start over because you froze in the middle of your.
Yes. Sorry, I seem to be having Wi-Fi issues. It's SOPHIA MIETUS.
Good morning, ma'am. All right. So the licensee is not here. The government wishes to move forward ex parte. And so is there a motion you wish to make, ma'am?
Yes, the district requests that the board finds in its favor based upon the evidence in the record without presentation of testimony or further evidence, and move for default judgment.
Just provide factually, just put some information in the record before you make your motion, ma'am, please.
Yes, of course. This board has sufficient evidence to consider 2025 CIT.
Yeah, you have to start over because you froze.
Okay, I'm going to turn off my video because hopefully that will
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
help my audio. Let's see. Okay, start again. This board has sufficient evidence to consider the charges in the show cause because the case report for this matter is automatically in evidence under 23 DCMR section 1713.10. Case proves that Giovanni's Tratto failed to timely file their quarterly statement for the period of January 1, 2025 to March 31, 2025 in violation of DC Code section 25113 B2A and 23 DCMR section 1207.1. Also, I'd like to note that Giovanni's Tratto has not made any effort to contest the show cause notice. They didn't attend the show cause to appear today. And finally, I would like to note that this board is authorized to resolve a contested case by default judgment under DC Code Section 25-509A. Thank you.
All right. Any questions by any board members?
Good morning, Ms. Matus.
Yes, Mr. Matthews. I'm sorry, Mr. Meadows, yes.
But have you had any correspondence with Giovanni Stratu?
I've contacted them by email to share a settlement offer, and I have not heard back from them.
And you've had no reply?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Just give me a minute. Let me figure out what to do. So you're raising the motion. You're basically you're stating, because the case report is in the record, that the licensee has not contested the case report and they're not been here today, and so therefore you're asking for that the board find them in default and in favor of the agency. So what is it that in favor of the government? So you're asking us to provide, what is it that you're asking us to do? If the board was to act on your motion, so what findings is it that you're asking the board to make?
Yes, Chairperson, if you can hear me, we are
Yes,
asking.
I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. We're asking for judgment in favor of the district, which means a finding that Giovanni Stratu has violated DC Code Section 25113B2A and the corresponding regulations because they failed to timely file a quarterly statement. And we ask the board to apply the maximum possible penalty under DC Code 25830.
All right, thank you. All right, I make a motion that we approve the motion as put forth by the government. Is there a second? I can't hear you, Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0 that the board has accepted, granted the motion, that's the government's motion. The government's motion. All right, thank you. Thank you for appearing, Ms. Graham. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. All right, the next case in our calendar is case number 25 CIT 00115. Quailix Restaurant and Lounge, license number 114288. Mr. Oriana, can you please elevate the rights of the government and the licensee in this case?
Sure thing. Chris Southcott, access elevated, and investigator Jovan Miller, access elevated. That appears to be all, Chairman.
Thank you. Mr. Southcott, were you expecting the licensee to show up today?
I have not had any communication with them, despite repeated attempts. I've not heard anything from them. So I'm not expecting them to be present.
All right, fine. Can you please identify yourself for the record?
Good morning, members of the board. My name is Chris Southcott, first name Chris, last name Southcott from DC's Office of the Attorney General.
So although the licensee is not here, is the government prepared to move forward?
Yes, I would like to raise a preliminary matter.
What's the preliminary matter?
So, so this case concerns a failure to file a quarterly statement. Yesterday, I became aware of the fact that the establishment, that the agency, December 24th of last year, issued a letter to the establishment, which was and submitted an out of business report. And I believe that as of January, the establishment's license is in safekeeping. And so I just wanted to, raise that for the board, and ask whether the board wanted to continue in light of the fact that it appears that the establishment's license is in safekeeping.
If the government wants to raise a motion to continue this matter, then the board would based on the fact that the license is in safekeeping, so therefore that would have, if it's in safekeeping, it would show that they are not in operation. So I would support granting the motion if the government is asking to continue this matter. So
I'll make the motion to continue then.
all right. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. So the board has voted to continue this matter based on the fact that at the representation of the government that the license is in safekeeping. All right. Thank you very much for
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Miller,
Chair.
Ms. Graham, Mr. Southcott. Have a great day. All right. Okay. All right, the next case on our calendar is case number 25 CMP 00080, Banjan Rumi, license number 129636. This hearing is canceled. The parties entered into an offer in compromise on February the 11th, 2026. See board order number 2026-202. And that case was the end of our morning calendar. So let me now address our afternoon calendar. The first case that was scheduled for this afternoon is case number 25 CMP 00090, Chop Shop Nice and Easy, license number 124675. This hearing is canceled. The parties entered into an offer in compromise on February 11th, 2026. See board order number 2026-201. The next case on our calendar for the afternoon is case number 25 PRO 00114, SOST, S-O-S-T, license number 126215. This hearing has been rescheduled to April 22nd at 1:30 p.m. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00120, The Lobby, license number 128670. This hearing has been rescheduled to March 25th at 1:30 p.m. And the last case that was on our calendar for today is case number 26 PRO 00007, Third Eye Crew KRU, license number 134075. This hearing is canceled due to submission of a settlement agreement for the board's review and approval. And that we're now at the conclusion of the board's calendar for the day. So since we're at the conclusion of the board's calendar for the day, let us now do our legal agenda alcohol. And the first matter on our legal agenda alcohol is a review of an offer in compromise. This is for case number 25 CIT 00173, Chartwell's Dine-In Services, license number 120163. And the offer in compromise is as follows. For charge 1, failed to file the required caterers report, statutory authority, DC Code Section 25-113I4. There is a fine of $250 paid within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. Other terms, submit pending caterers report if they have not been submitted. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 2, this is another review and review of an offer in compromise. This is for case number 25 CMP 00060. This is Shanklin Hall, license number 123200. And the offer in compromise is as follows. Charge 1, operated outside of approved hours on Memorial Day, statutory authority, DC Code Section 25-723C4. The fine is a fine of $1,000 payable within 30 days of the board accepting the offer in compromise. If payment is not made within 30 days, the license shall be suspended indefinitely until payment has been received. Charge 2, extend the hours of Sidewalk Cafe without approval, statutory authority, DC Code Section 25-762. And this is the first primary tier violation. A written warning will be issued. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 3, review of a motion to dismiss protest. This is for case number 25 PRO 00122. This is Quartz Bar, license number 132899. This matter will be continued pending review of filings. Number 4, review of motion requesting an extension to respond. This is for in case number 25 PRO 00122, Quartz Bar, license number 132899. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 5, review of motion to reconsider dismissal of protests. This is for case number 25 PRO 00119, AI Pop LLC, license number 129775. I make a motion that we deny this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 6, review of applicant's opposition to motion to reconsider denial of protest. This is This is again this is in for case number 25 PRO 00119 AI Pop LLC, license number 129775. This matter is now moot. Number 7, review of protestants' reply to applicants' opposition to motion to reconsider dismissal of protest. This is in case number 25 PRO 00119 AI Pop LLC, license number 129775. This is also moot. Number 8, review of applicants' reply to protestants' reply to applicants' opposition of motion to reconsider dismissal of protest. This is in case number 25 PRO 00119 AI Pop LLC, license number 129775. This matter is moot. And number 9, review of precipice of dismissal. This is in case number 25 CIT 00052. This is El Cucina Superior, license number 085471. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones,
Mr.
I second
Meadows,
the motion.
second.
Mr. Meadows and Mr. Ryan and Mr. Jones have second motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr.
Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. Give me a minute, please, sir. All right. All right. Okay. All right. So let's move on to our legal agenda medical cannabis. All right, number one on the agenda settlement, there's third legal agenda. Legal agenda medical cannabis. Number one, review of settlement agreement. This is for Third Eye Crew, license number 134075. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones will second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. Number two, review of offer and compromise. This is for case number 25 ULC 00035. This is H&N Vape Shop. And the offer and compromise is as follows. Number one, respondent confirms that it has ceased selling cannabis or cannabis products and agrees to not offer, exchange, or sell either in the store or online the following products. Cannabis, number one, cannabis or cannabis-derived products, including all cannabinoids, hemp, and CBD. Number two, kratom. Number three, any Schedule I substances, including psychedelic mushrooms and dimetriptylamine, DMT. Number two, fine. Respondent will pay a $5,000 fine. Number three, remediation. Respondent will change its business model to a legitimate convenience store retail operation under the trade name H&N Vape Shop before lifting a summary closure. Respondent will provide documentation to the board that it has changed its trade name with the Department of License and Consumer Protection. Number four, inspection. The respondent agrees to allow ABCA investigators to inspect the entire premises of the business during those hours that it is open to the public to verify that the business is not selling those products listed in paragraph 1 until such time as a medical cannabis retail license is issued by the ABC board. Number 5, licensing. Notwithstanding paragraph 1, nothing in this OIC precludes the respondent from applying for a medical cannabis retail license. Number 6, lifting of a summary closure. The current summary closure shall remain in effect until the Multi-Agency Cannabis Enforcement Team, MCET, has inspected the entire premises. The current summary closure shall remain in effect until the board is satisfied the requirements of paragraph 1, 2, and 3 have been fulfilled. Respondent shall file a motion to lift the summary suspension showing it has satisfied the terms of paragraph 1, 2, and 3, and the district agrees not to oppose the motion should it agree that the terms have been met. I therefore make a motion that the offer and compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. Number 3, review of an offer and compromise. This is in case number 25 ULC 00077. This is Flowers, FLOWERZ. And the offer and compromise is as follows. Number 1, products not to be offered, exchanged, or sold. Respondent agrees to not sell cannabis and cannabis products, including all cannabinoids, hemp, CBD, tetrahydrocannabinolic acid, THC-A, and THC, kratom, any Schedule I substances, including psychedelic mushrooms, at the premises online or at any other location in the District of Columbia without a medical cannabis retail license. Number 2, products not to be manufactured. Respondent agrees to not manufacture, produce, prepare, propagate, compound, convert, or process cannabis, either directly or indirectly by extraction from substance of natural origin or independently by means of chemical synthesis or by a combination of extraction and chemical synthesis in the District of Columbia without a manufacturer's license. Respondent further agrees not to package, repackage, label, or relabel any cannabis or cannabis products in the District of Columbia without a manufacturer's license. 3, geographic boundaries. The parties agree that the obligations set forth in the offer in compromise apply only to conduct occurring within the geographic boundaries of the District of Columbia, including online or remote transactions only to the extent such transactions are initiated, received, or fulfilled within the District of Columbia. Nothing in this offer in compromise shall be construed to regulate or restrict respondents' conduct that occurs wholly outside of the District of Columbia. Number 4, licensing. Notwithstanding paragraph 1 and 2, nothing in this OIC precludes respondent from seeking licensure. Number 5, fine. Respondent agrees to pay a fine of $3,000 for the violation within 30 days of the board's order approving the agreement. Number 6, closure. Respondent affirms that it has permanently vacated and terminated its lease of the premises as evidenced by Exhibit A. And number 7, future violation. Respondent agrees that if it violates of DC Code Section 7-1671.08F at any time in the future, it shall be a subsequent violation under DC Code Section 7-1671.08F2 and grounds for the board to issue a fine in the amount of $20,000 under DC Code Section 7-1671.08F2A. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 4, review of an offer in compromise. This is for case number 25CC00028, WC Wellness. The offer in compromise is as follows. Property owner affirms the tenant's lease has terminated by agreement of the parties effective February 1st, 2026, and that tenant has vacated the premises as evidenced by Exhibit A. 2, property owner acknowledges that it is responsible for returning any property owned by tenant that remains in the premises and over which tenant has a right of return. 3, property owner agrees to not lease the premises to tenant or any unlicensed cannabis establishment at the time in the future. 4, property owner agrees to notify ABCA when it has leased the premises to a new tenant to provide the identity of the new tenant, include the business name and owner, and permit ABCA to perform an inspection before the new tenant takes possession of the premises at any time thereafter. 5, property owner agrees that if a future tenant, which has not filed and accepted a pending application with the ABC board, knowingly engage or attempts to engage in the purchase, sale, exchange, delivery, or another form of commercial transaction involving cannabis, it shall be a subsequent violation of DC Code Section 7-1671.08F and grounds for the board to issue a subsequent notice of summary closure and issue property owner a fine of up to $10,000 under DC Code Section 7-1675.01B. Property owner agrees to waive the notice requirement set forth in DC Code Section 7-1671.01A. 6, the summary closure shall remain in effect until the ABC board issues an order approving this offer in compromise. Upon Upon ABC board approval, ABCA shall make the keys to the premises available to the property owner for pickup at ABCA's office or at another mutually agreed upon location. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. Number 5, review of public comment number 1 from John Kennery. This is for Wash Hydro, license number 126952. Let me read number 5, number 6, and number 7. Number 6 is the review of public comment number 2 from John Kenny regarding Wash Hydro. This is license number 126952. And number 7, review of public comment number 3 from John Kennery. This is regarding Wash Hydro, license number 126952. I therefore make a motion that we have a fact finding for number 5, number 6, and number 7. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. Give me another minute again before I move on. All right, so let's go to our licensing agendas. So let's do our licensing agenda. Alcohol. On the licensing agenda, alcohol, there are 19 requests. I'm going to review all 19, and I will make some recommendations. And at the end, I will ask ABC board members to vote to approve the recommendations put forth by the chair. Number 1, review request for temporary operator retail permit. This is for Donska Thai, license number 135270. I make the recommendations approval. Number 2, review request to remove the license from safekeeping for reopening in March. This is for Hotel Arboretum, license number 082836, recommendation approval. Number 3, review application for safekeeping of license. This is for Ember and Oak by DC Capital Square Bar and Grill, license number 118000, recommendation approval through September 30th, 2026. Number 4, review request to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Edge Wet, license number 108137, recommendation approval through September 30th, 2026. Number 5, review application for extend safekeeping of license. This is for 1720 Club, license number 015251, recommendation approval through September 30th, 2026. Number 6, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Mikasa, recommendation approval through September 30th, 2026. Number 7, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Eto Metonic Inc., ETHIOMELOTI Inc., license number 130199, recommendation approval through September 30th, 2026. Number 8, review application of extend safekeeping of license. This is Taki, license number 131157, recommended approval through September 30th, 2026. Number 9, review application for a streeter endorsement with 16 seats. This is for the Blagard, BLAGUARD, license number 086012, recommendation placard. Number 10, review application for streeter endorsement. This is for Ambar, license number 090240, recommendation placard. Number 11, review application for streeter endorsement with 20 seats. This is from Mekai Nordic Fine Food, license number 109951, recommendation placard. Number 12, review application for streeter endorsement with 18 seats. This is for Yellow, license number 121932, recommendation placard. Number 13, the Henry review application for carryout and delivery endorsement. This is the Henry, license number 113937, recommendation approval. Number 14, review application for carryout and delivery endorsement. This is for UCHI, license number 132678, recommendation approval. Number 15, review request to withdraw the approved transfer application. This is for Mai Tai and Sushi, license number 134401. This is a FYI for the board. Number 16, review request to withdraw the approved ABC manager endorsement application. This is for Dog House, license number 123111. This is an FYI for the board. Number 17, review request to remove the game of skill endorsement from the license. This is for Granville's Moores Brickyard, license number 072792, recommendation approval. Number 18, review request to remove the carryout and delivery endorsement from the license. This is for Comey/Little SEROW/Happy Ice Cream/Gemini, license number 060765, recommendation approval. And number 19, review request to remove the Summer Garden endorsement from the license. This is from Bracero Atlantico/Florentia Atlantico, license number 131191, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations put forth by the chair for the alcohol licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. We now move to the alcohol supplemental licensing agenda. And there are two requests on this agenda. I review both, and then I'll make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations put forth by the chair. Number 1, review request to change the premise address to update the storage unit number to 1142 at the same address at 645 Taylor Street Northeast. This is for WC Beverage, license number 112440, recommendation approval. And number 2, review request to reclassify the approved Summer Garden space as a sidewalk cafe with the same approved capacity. This is GS Supper Club, license number 130359, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendation that's put forth by the chair for the supplemental alcohol licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. The ABC board will be canceling the following license. We now move to the cancellation agenda. The ABC board will be canceling the following license for the reasons outlined below. Coca Lezon, L-E-Z-Z-O-N-E, license number 126264, the licensee requests cancellation. Number 2, Sodexo Management, Inc., license number 074323, licensee requested cancellation. And number 3, Mia Vida, license number 118649, licensee requested cancellation. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to cancel the license for those establishments read in the record. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. We now move to the board's temporary license and one-day substantial change docket. On this docket, there are 21 applications. I will read all 21 applications. Then I will make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. Number one, a request from David Tornquist for one-day license class F. This is for professional frisbee tournament. This is April 25th. The license number is 135229. 450 attendants, 9 security guards, recommendation approval. Number two, another request from David Tornquist for one-day license class F, professional frisbee tournament, May 30th. License number 135230, 450 attendees, 9 security guards, recommendation approval. Number three, another request from David Tornquist, one-day license class F, professional frisbee tournament. This is June 6th. License number is 135231, 450 attendees, 9 security guards, recommendation approval. Number four, a request from Milo Chang, one-day license class F celebration. This is March 7th. License number is 135283, 64 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number five, Lehigh Connery for a one-day license class G fundraiser, March 21st. License number is 135190, 375 attendees, 7 security guards, recommendation approval. Number six, a request from Justin Dekel Deckelbaum, a one-day license class G wedding. This is March 15th. The license number is 135214, 200 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number seven, a request from Amanda Barash, Barash, a one-day license class G for fundraiser, March 7th. The license number is 135227, 225 attendees, 5 security guards, recommendation approval. Number eight, a request from Patrick D. Batista, one-day license class G dance, March 7th. License number 135233, 200 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number nine, another request from Patrick D. Batista, one-day license class G. The event DC Rawhides, March 20th. The license number is 135233, 200 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 10, a request from Brian Roller, one-day license class G, wedding, April 25th. License number is 135255, 120 attendees, 3 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 11, a request from Alvon George, one-day license class G, wedding, March 20th. License number 135284, 75 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 12, K, the letter K, Scary, Scarry, one-day license class G. Pop-up, this is for the Theater Alliance. The date of the event is February 27th through March 1st. The license number is 135287, 120 attendees, 3 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 13, a request from Heath Group LLC for pub crawl. This is the Navy Yard St. Patrick's Day Fest. This is March 14th. The license number is 000008. The substantial change license is 26 PCE 00003. Recommendation denial. Number 14, a request from Ed Viola, VIOLA, one-day substantial change celebration. Nature of substantial change, extend hours from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. for Mother's Day celebration. This is May 10th. License number 0783332. Substantial change license is 26 SC 00553. Recommendation approval. Number 15, Berry Brothers and Rudd, one-day substantial change. Taste and substantial change, use license off premises in front of the establishment at 888 17th Street Northwest. This is February 26th. License number is 131402. Substantial change license is 26 SC 00559. Recommendation approval. These events are retroactive, so a request from Shane Rainey, a one-day license class F, happy hour. The event was February 19th. The license number is 135219. 175 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 17, Lawan Prince Williams, one-day license class G, fundraiser. This was February 22nd. The license number is 135220, 150 attendees, 3 security guards, approval. Number 18, Rebecca Hatchner, Hatcher, one-day license class G for dance. This was February 20th. Excuse me, the license number is 135226, 150 attendees, 3 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 19, a request from K, the letter K, last name is Scary, Scarry, one-day license class G. Live music, the event was February 20th through February 22nd. The license number is 135239, 300 attendees, 6 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 20, request from Labia Perea Amario, and the name is spelled first name Libia, middle Pereira, last Armurio, for one-day license class G, movie premiere February 22nd, license number 135256, 30 attendees, 3 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 21, the consortium one-day substantial change celebration, extend hours until 3 a.m. for private party. This was February 21st. The license number is 130329, substantial change license 26 SC 00552, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendation that's put forth by the chair for the board's temporary license and one-day substantial change docket. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant.
I thought I was off mute. Sorry about that. I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Now let's move to the alcohol license administrative docket. On the alcohol licenses administrative docket as published on February 25th, 2026. On this docket, there are 18 applications. However, on the published docket, the ABC board will be returning number 13, which is Tundi C LLC, license number 135309. This matter will be returned to licensing. So therefore, without objection, I make a motion that ABC board approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair to approve all the applications on this published agenda, with the exception of number 13, which is Tundi C LLC, which will be returned to licensing. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree, and the matter passes 4-0. So let's now move to the medical cannabis licensing agenda. On the medical cannabis licensing agenda, there are 2 requests. I will make recommendations, and then I'll ask the board to vote to approve the recommendations put forth by the chair. Number one, review of request to transfer standard application for a new retail license from Smoke and Things to DC Dank, license number 135138, recommendation placard. Number two, review of safekeeping request. This is for Blunt DC license number 131901. Safekeeping approval through September 30th, 2026. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations put forth by the chair for the medical cannabis licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. We now move to the medical cannabis licensing agenda. On the medical cannabis licensing agenda, there are 6 matters. And out of the 6, the ABC board will be canceling 5 of 6 licenses. So I will go through all 6 and provide the results, and then I'll make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations put forth by the chair. For the published cancellation agenda, it basically states that the ABC board will be canceling the license for Bud Love, license number 128413. The licensee did not pay the annual fee. Number 2, DC Smoke, license number 126787. The licensee did not pay the annual fee. Number 3, it's Georgetown Supply, license number 126906. Licensee did not pay the licensing fee. Number 4, Buddha Plug, license number 127248. Licensee did not pay the annual fee. Number 5, Smoke and Things, license number 127560. The licensee did not pay the license fee. Number 6, Adoge, ADEGOKE Holdings LLC, license number, I don't have the license number 133578. Number 6 will be referred back to licensing. So I therefore make a motion that the ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair to cancel 5 all the licenses on the cancellation agenda for February 25th, except for Adoke Holdings, license number 133578, which will be returned to licensing. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. And our last agenda item for the morning is the medical cannabis license administrative docket. On this docket, there are 3 licensees, and without objection, I make a motion that the ABC board members vote to approve the medical cannabis license administrative docket as published for February 25th, 2026. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. We're now at the end of our agenda items for the day. If there's no more business, I'll make a motion for us to adjourn for the day. As chairperson of the Alcohol, Beverage, and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, in accordance with Title III, Chapter 405, Office of Open Government, I move that ABC Board hold a closed meeting on February 26th for the purpose of discussing and hearing reports concerning ongoing or planned investigations of alleged criminal or civil misconduct or violations of law or regulations, and seeking legal advice from our legal counsel on the board's investigative agenda, legal agenda, and licensing agenda for February 26th, as published in the DC Register on February 20th. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. I will now take a roll call vote on the motion before us now that it's been seconded. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. As the motion has passed, I hereby give notice that the ABC Board will hold this closed meeting. Pursuant to the Open Meetings Act, notice will also be posted on the ABC Board Hearing Room Bulletin Board, placed on electronic calendar on ABCA's website, and published in DC Register in as timely a manner as practical. We're now adjourned for the day, and I will now ask all ABC Board members to return to executive session for further action. Good morning. Have a great day. Thank you.